Yo, what's up, everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and as you can see today, we had a pretty nice recovery considering yesterday, and that the after hours for yesterday wasn't looking so hot. But if you all do enjoy these weekday portfolio update videos, I'd really appreciate you dropping a like on the video, smashing that like button. It really does help me out, and all of that love motivates me to do more videos like these. But anyways, jumping back into talking about the market. As you can see today, ever since about 11:10 a.m., we had a really solid uphill run. I mean, it started off at about 0.75% above baseline on pre-market, had a little bit of volatility until that 11:10 a.m. marker, and then from then on, it pretty much just went up a ton. And then, surprisingly, in the after hours, we're not even down that much whatsoever. It's basically just even with a minus 0.01%. So today was a really solid day, and as you can see with this article from the Wall Street Journal, it says stocks close with modest weekly losses. So I'm assuming we've only really, like, if you account for every single loss and every single positive day that we've had this week, then we've only lost just a slight bit amount. So it was just a gradual loss. But if you want to take that into consideration of like larger recessions that occur after a rebound, it does take a lot of time for that to happen. I've seen charts where it will take like 600 days of just slowly going down with like volatility throughout the week, but it just goes down on the general trend until it finally reaches like a lower bottom. So I can't help but think that in the back of my mind, like, is this the start of a long-term general trend downwards? If we are having good days and we are having bad days, but the general outcome is that there's just a small loss happening at the end of each week. I hope that's not the case, but considering all of this money printing that's going on and all of this unemployment and job loss and the current situation, I can't help but worry about that. But as you can see with VOO today, we got a really solid gain. 1.45% today, which is about $436 in gains. We are only down 10.42%, and that is minus $3,500. Pretty happy about that, honestly. We're about under that 10% marker for losses, which is pretty nice. I'd love to see this one recover, especially because this is the one that's hurting me most recently. It's just taken a lot longer for it to recover compared to all of the other stocks out there, and it is a big part of my portfolio, as you can see, with it being about 47%. And then if we go back over to Microsoft, we got a nice solid gain today for this as well, with a plus 1.71% gain in total, 1.83% today, and then minus 0.11% in after hours. A little bit of volatility early on, like with VOO, but then at that 11 a.m. marker, it started going up pretty significantly, and then we hit that after hours mark. So Microsoft is up to $174. I'm up 9.64% on that with about a $1,500 gain. Pretty happy about that, honestly. Microsoft is just one of those that is coming through for me lately a lot. And then next up we have Apple. Really nice solid gain for Apple today, 2.89%. And we're actually in the positive for after hours, the 0.01%. That is an interesting move right there, I will say myself. You see that significant drop and down to all the way to like minus 0.78, and then it rebounds right back in like 10 or 15 minutes. So that's pretty crazy. But Apple pretty much went up significantly the whole way today about it. But as you can see, a nice $334 gain. We are only negative by 1.04% on Apple, which is minus $124.50. So that's pretty solid if you ask me. And then finally, we have Tesla. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see that. We got 3.09% today in gains. Pretty much did the same thing as Apple. Once we finally hit that 10 a.m. mark, it pretty much went up the whole way. And even in after hours, it's positive as well. So we are once again past the $700 marker at $727. And today was plus $171. So that's really nice. And then we are only down 10.42% on Tesla, or minus 676. So pretty much just like VOO, except I have a lot more faith in Tesla growing faster than VOO will. But Tesla is also a lot more volatile, so it could take a little bit longer if it drops down for a while for that to recover. But I am very happy with Tesla. It's just one of those stocks. If it gets under $450, I'm buying it for sure, because as you can see, I bought some Tesla. I bought one share and then sold it. I bought one share for $364 and then sold it for $420. and that was just such a bad move. That was only one day for like almost $100 profit, though. You got to admit, like a day for $100 profit, that's a little bit tempting, you know? But as you can see, the fair value is 239, so that's another discussion anyways. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just wanted to do a quick little update video. I did it a little bit earlier today than I've been doing lately, just because I wanted to get this out there for the people that start watching videos, I guess like at 5 p.m. or once they finally get off work, that I would be able to upload this video. So I feel like it makes it a little bit more accessible if I do it earlier in the day for you all. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you would like to begin investing, feel free to use my referral links for Robinhood and Webull down in the description below. If you sign up with my referral links, you'll get some free stocks, which is pretty awesome. And by the way, once again, if you did enjoy this video, I'd really appreciate you smashing that like button. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you have a fantastic and safe weekend.